Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Today I am going to start a literature chapter, a story, Chulbul's Tale. The page number from 2nd to 6th. So please listen the story which I am going to tell you. The story is about a little squirrel, Chulbul. She is restless and decides that she needs a new tail. Dr. Bamboo tries to reason with her, but Chulbul will not listen. She soon finds out that some changes are not for the better. So dear students, now I will read the sweet little story about Chulbul's adventure. So please listen attentively. Once there was a squirrel, a very naughty, lively little squirrel named Chulbul. Up a tree in a blink, and down before you could wink. The meaning of blink is quickly, very quickly. Up a tree in a blink and down before you could wink. The meaning of wink is close and open one eye quickly. Sometimes she would stand on her two little legs. Sometimes she would chase birds. One day, Chulbul was sitting on the branch of a tree, munching walnuts. Munching means eating with noise. Munching walnuts. Suddenly, her gaze fell upon her tail. The meaning of gaze is look. Oh, muttered Chulbul to herself. The meaning of muttered is speak softly. What good is a tail like this? So light that you can't even feel it is there. Now what can be done? Wondered Chulbul. Chulbul pondered over her problem for a long time, till she came up with an idea. The meaning of pondered is thought deeply about. Thought about something but very deeply. So Chulbul thought deeply over her problem for a long time till she came up with an idea. Why not go to Dr. Bamboo, the bear? Students, who is Dr. Bamboo? Dr. Bamboo is the bear. So off went Chulbul to the hospital, where Dr. Bamboo worked. In this hospital was a cupboard where tails, legs, and ears of different animals were kept. I shall look for a suitable tail for myself while I wait for Dr. Bamboo, thought Chulbul, and began to examine them. After a long time, she chose the tail of a monkey. Dear student, in this story, there are some words, so you have to write their meaning. So students, listen it carefully and write the meaning of all words. Stay safe, stay happy.